Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can link lost media that has been moved on erased on CapCut PC. So if you found the media that you imported to CapCut before looks like this, media lost because maybe the file has been erased or removed, I'm gonna show you or I'm gonna give you the solution or how you can link again the media. So here, so you can just right click on the media or the video, and here you'll find there's an option to link to media. So just click on that, and in here CapCut will open the folder of the video that has been moved, and you can just click on the clips again and then click on open. So when you do that, the media will be linked again like this and it will appear. But if the media is removed, you can always do that again. You can also do the link the media again, but you need to make sure that the file that has been deleted is still on the recycle bin. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and click on thanks below. I'll see you all on the next tutorial.